Nice.
I am going to...
Not good on your side?
It's good.
Oh.
But if every one of them's good... I might just pull the box. This is what I was hoping to find on most of the hives.
Or you just ripped the one side open?
Yes. I think I'm gonna just grab another box. Is there anything on this one?
On my side it's good. On the other side I don't remember.
But the ones that ain't capped don't look like they have anything in them. Oh, I just poked a hole right into it. It's too wet. So the question is, because we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 that are ready. Do we swap boxes? We might leave this one. So we got 5. See how many spots I have open in that other box. Not 5.
Alright. I'm gonna hop off here and help. Till next time, God bless.